Sirkal koro oyango ni ji ariyo kende ema od orofa ma oluar South C odinonegi ma ok ji ang'wena kaka negi lieko. Jatend migao mochung' ne jotije piny owacho Geoffrey Ruku oyango magi kaluwore gi nonro ma otim ne tipo mag wang' dede manyiso mana ji ariyo kende mane od orofa no oruombore kuomgi. Bende sani koro yangore ni od orofa no mane owacho nyoro ni en ot man kod orofa 16 tok nonro Sirkal olero ni odno ne en mar orofa 14 kende.
Pedestrians, and it is confirmed from the CCTVs that they were not trapped in the building. We are talking of 2 Kenyans who are trapped in this building. Families and friends are in agony. They can't sleep. The documents which we have from the county government, Nairobi County government, from the State Department of Public Works, the approval document which we have, there are still some issues which are not very clear in terms of whether the regulation were properly followed, why is it that the stop order which was issued in August 11, 2025 was not followed.
There are people who are questioning about this and why, but we want to urge and ask NCA that even as this disaster, we continue with the rescues here, we must continue and check what is the state of other buildings around this place so that we avoid such disasters.